Alright, y'all. So your girl got some old tools. The tools I got, I had this big thing right here. Oh, and this somehow ended up down here because I didn't have that. But I got this right here now. And this right here. So I got some more tools. So I should be able to do this thing I'm about to have to do over here. So I'm gonna try to set the camera up. Man, this press, I love it, love it, man. 25 lighters on my dresser. Yes, sir. I got 25 lighters and 25. Nah, let me stop.
TshirtChick.
All right, so where is it at? Got all these tools. Something ought to give. Something ought to work. Let me see. There it is. There it is. There it is. Right there. There it is. Y'all, this about to be noise. This about to be noise right here. It's about to be noise. Let me see. Am I in the frame? I can't really see. I can't really tell if I'm in the frame that good, but just in case, we're gonna fix it. Alright, so we now, let me see. We now have, this bad boy right here. Knocking over stuff, and we're going to place it on the top of here. All right. Oh, don't want to scratch that up. Go ahead, turn that, get that started, hold that right there. Go ahead, put this one over here. Alright, we got it going. We got it started. And might have a better tool in here. Let me see. Let me see what I got. Nope, all I got is this. Let me check this and see if I even got one to fit this. That's too big. Don't think I'm gonna have one to fit this. That's too big. That's not big enough. Don't think we got one to fit this one. I'm gonna have to make a Walmart run. I'm gonna have to make a Walmart run because Walmart should have something for that. Thought I would have had something for that, but I'm gonna have to do it the tough way. Turn it this way where y'all can possibly see me better. Yeah, this is the tough way. Don't have the proper tools, y'all. So you see what your girl having to do. Look, somebody need to let me borrow some tools till I get this job done. Yeah, so I'm not gonna film this whole thing. I'm gonna go ahead and do this long process. Alright, so your girl been doing some, let me turn off this AC so y'all can hear me. Yeah, it be hot up in here, so I have to turn the AC on and off. But your girl been doing some work off camera. You see, I got everything set up right there. Now the next thing I have to do is bring my the actual unit and put it on top of here. Let me see. Alright, so this is the unit right here. I don't know how I'm going to get it on there right now. Let me see. Let me try to see exactly where all the pieces to it go. Then I can figure out what I'm going to do. Actually, I might as well just cut this. Let me see. Let me get my blade right quick and just cut this. Let me see where this actually goes. I don't even know. I don't know how this thing goes on here. I'm gonna have to find the instruction book, y'all. Okay, it slides through here. I got it. I ain't gonna need the instruction book. It slides right through here. So let me move all this stuff out the way, because I'm gonna have to slide it. My bad, I'm gonna have to slide it on here. And I gotta tighten this part up because I ain't even tighten that side up. And I'll change the battery. Let me go ahead and change the battery and I'll get to the next step. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead, pick this halogen unit up. Make sure everything's out of my way. That might want to try to trip your girl up. And slide the bad boy on here. Woo. Woo. That was a bit challenging. I don't know if y'all could see anything other than my don't back there. Alright. It's on here, but I know it's gotta be a way to secure it more. Let me see. How do I secure it? Because I know for a fact it ain't gonna stay on here like that. Let me see. Alright, it's on there, but I'm gonna have to secure it on here. And this part right here, it plugs in right here, I think. Somewhere like that. Maybe. Maybe, just maybe. I don't know. Maybe it don't plug in right here. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. It's in there. It is in there. Alright, I'm gonna just kind of wrap this up around here, because I don't know what else to do with it. And look, your girl sweating again. And my hair stays sticking up. Your girl sweating. It draws my hair up, make my hair look shorter than it already is. But let me turn the air on while I read this manual and see how I'm supposed to do this thing. Alright, we did that part. Without the instructions, we did that part. Alright. And there, that's it. That's it. I guess it's like, yeah, you can figure it out from there. That cannot be the way that it stays on. The arm should be attached. Okay. So where's the other page? It's like, it's missing something. Something ain't here. It's missing something. Let me see what else in here. Okay, that's the dryer right there. That's that. I don't know. We missing something from this. I'm thinking attach the arms. We got the arms on there. Okay. We're page 5, 6, and the rest of them is not here somehow. I don't know. So I'm gonna jump off of here and try to find how to secure them on here, because they can't stay on there like that. I can't risk that thing falling. All right, I think I figured it out with no instructions. Okay, so I was able to slide it up to where this side was back here, and over here this side is touching this back plate right here. So right here, this has this little thing on it. So basically all you have to do is get this off of it first. All you have to do is twist this, and it tightens up on there and locks it in. So there we go, and it's locked in right there. All right, none of this stuff came with the plugs, so I have to get my uncle, who is an electrician, to handle this for me. You see that right there? Got the rapid wave right here. I don't know exactly what that is. Maybe emergency shutter. I'll figure out what it all is. So right there, y'all can see what your girl got. That's what your girl got right there. That's the setup right there. Y'all see the setup? Look, it's starting to be more red up in here. This place is becoming red. I don't know, y'all. Red might be my new favorite color. I have had people tell me I look good in red. So maybe, you know, I had a couple people tell me that. That's my mom's favorite color. Every school I went to had red. But I don't know, green just have always been my favorite color when it wasn't Carolina blue. But we gonna see. I'm gonna go ahead and this little plastic part, it's gonna have to come off of here. I'm gonna have to cut it off somehow. And that part is done. That's done, other than what the electrician has to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this part right here and put it up here, because your girl planning on printing shirts next week. Go ahead and no, I can't do this part yet. I gotta go to Walmart because I don't have the right tool for this. That's what the thing was. So let me see. I have tried all of these. Like, this is the little selection of these tools like this that we have, and none of them are working. None of them. That one too big. None of them working. So I'm gonna have to go to Walmart and try to get them a thing that will fit. So I'm gonna run to Walmart and do this doggone thing and try to get that done. All right, y'all. So I just got this from Walmart. Hopefully it works. We about to see. Well, at least it fit, but I don't know if I can pull the thing out of here. I don't know. At least it fit though. Okay, let me try 2 boxes on top of each other and move the chair out the way. Try that. We can try one more thing before I give up. I don't want to be defeated. I refuse to take this L. Y'all, I got it in there. I gotta take a break. Let me start my watch. I ain't working out, but it feels like I am. Let me start this time because I didn't work out today. Ooh, let me eat some of these Whoppers right quick. In between. Ooh. Ooh, all right, so we're gonna take this newly bought tool that I specifically had to buy for this machine and do this thing with it. But y'all see I got it. I'm gonna end right here and I'm gonna come back when I get it done and let y'all check it out. So I finally got it on. I'm gonna let y'all check it out right there. So I do still need to put this belt on it right here. I don't know if I'm gonna put that belt on today or not. I might just do a video called finishing the dryer. That's probably what I'm gonna do on that. Whew.